Hi! Today I'm going to show you how I made Ursula's costume. So first I got the material. I got 1 yard of the black fabric and 3/4 of a yard of the pinkish purplish fabric. Then I wanted the tentacles to not be so long. I wanted it to kind of be like a tutu. So I cut out the length I wanted from paper. Triangle piece for the purple part, and then half of that triangle piece I would cut out 2 of those pieces for 2 black pieces, and that's what would create the 1 tentacle. Okay, after you finish all 8 tentacles, you're going to turn right sides out. You're going to add batting to all 8 tentacles, and then thick wiring. You could use floral wiring or this kind of jewelry wiring. And you're going to wire the top part so it'll be able to bend, just to help with the shape of the tentacle. Okay, then to put it all together, you're going to cut 1 foot by 1.5 yards, and you're going to, on the long ends of the fabric, create a nice smooth edge. So zigzag sew all the way, and then fold over twice and straight stitch. Then you're going to pin the legs onto one side and sew those down, and then you're going to fold the long belt part on top of the sewn down tentacles, and then repeat and sew that part down. So the open raw edges will be completely hidden inside the belt. Okay, so you're going to add velcro. You're going to wrap the belt around and figure out where to attach the velcro. Then the last part is the decorative part. I got these suckers looking things from a CPAP machine, and I just cut them and then hand stitched at all the tentacles, made sure there was an even amount on each tentacle. Then to add more shape to the tentacles so they're kind of curving up, I curled the tentacle up and hand stitched the bent area. And voila, it is done. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this one.